Carl's mentioned all week in training, just how big the game was. We knew how big the game was. Like I said, we've had 10 draws this season, so to get those 3 points today and push us into that top 6 makes the next 3 games just as important. But we had to get over the first hurdle just today, and then obviously look forward to a game on Boxing Day, have stuff away.
I thought we were really good. I thought we were up for the fight. I thought it was a good competitive game in the first half. I thought we could have scored a few more in the first half. We hit the post. They cleared one off the line, which I don't know how he got it off the line. And then Joe Melkin bent one wide as well. And just I was really pleased with the lads' performance all the way through the game. I thought we thoroughly deserved it. He might have a different shout on it, but I thought we were good for the win today.
First half, I felt we were the better team. I felt we controlled the game. I know they've hit the post, but we've had 4 or 5 good opportunities where, to be fair to them, they defended well, but I felt in general we controlled and then gave away a really poor goal. It was a poor cross and we didn't deal with it, and it was a few ricochets and they ended up putting in the back of the net, so it's poor from our point. And I thought second half then, when we come out we had the win, I felt we were the better team, but then the second goal kills it then. We get beat too easy, free header, and then it's 2-0, and then we got to chase the game, man. We have to chase the game, changed shape a little bit, and then it became transitional and they looked really, really threatening on the counter. But obviously they get the third, game over, and then we rally a little bit at the end, get the goal, we hit the bar, put them under pressure. But yeah, disappointing. I felt probably looking at it between both boxes we were okay, but obviously today both boxes weren't good enough, because I felt we worked the ball really well into the final third, but our delivery today was probably not what we expect.
Lass has played today, Louis Robles has played. These are lads who've missed most of the season, so when we get an 11 out, we're not bad, but we're just down to the bare bones on numbers on the bench. Eddie's come off again today, and it's just we're putting forwards into full-back positions, and it's really difficult, but we'll keep going. If we'd lost the game, I think that was us then with the top 6, but it's a great result for us, and the lads thoroughly deserved it, and they've shown great desire to want to get in the top 6.
I've said, I think from 6, 7, 8 weeks ago, I said it'll probably go down to the last game, and I still believe that. But it's in our hands. So we've got a good opportunity. It's just, obviously the last time I think we lost 2 on the bounce was in the first 4 games back in August. All right, so we got bounce back ability, we got character, and I know we can come back. We can come back from these 2 defeats. It's hard because you all want to get into the top 6. That's everybody's ambition at the start, but it's not easy. Nobody gives it to you, and that's what we found out. A few decisions have gone against us, if I'm honest, and I think there was a 100% penalty there in the first, whatever it was, 10 minutes, and I'd like to see that again. But we've been a little bit unlucky there in certain moments in games. We've been the wrong side of a few decisions, and that's disappointing also.
Your goal was a key moment in the game today. Talk us through it.
Just in the right place at the right time, I guess. PT's done well to win the header, and it's rebounded into me, and just been on my toes, and I guess I wanted it a bit more. So it's always nice to score, but after going 3 up, we want to sort of close the game off, and then we've let them back in with 1 goal. They've hit the bar, so we just need to manage these games a bit better, to make sure we don't draw anymore, keep the wins, and hopefully 3 points.